Hey guys, last week my uncle told me something really interesting about plants. He was saying that we can eat almost all the parts of a plant. Surprising, right? Even I found it astonishing. He must have seen the surprise on my face, so he asked me to visit the farm and have a look for myself. To prepare for this farm visit, I made my list of plant parts. Secretly, I wanted to prove my uncle wrong. On the farm, I saw tomatoes, gourds, pumpkins. Uncle pointed out that they were fruits. Next, I came across spinach, coriander, mint, and curry leaves. These are examples of the leafy part of a plant that can be eaten. My uncle also showed me cabbage and lettuce growing and explained that these are also leaves that we eat. Right next to the cabbages, there were cauliflower and broccoli. These not only look like flowers, but they are actually flowers that we eat. Far in another corner of the farm, Uncle showed me a plant with long leaves. He was quite surprised when I recognized it as sugarcane, which is a stem, of course, that we eat and obtain juice from. Uncle also reminded me that the stem of the lotus plant is considered a delicacy in many places. Not only this, vegetables like potato and ginger are also underground stems that are rich in nutrients. Next, we came across beds where vegetables like carrot, radish, and turnip were growing. In these, we obviously eat the roots. Lastly, although there were no grains growing in the farm at that time, Uncle took me to the grain storeroom and showed me cereals like wheat, rice, corn, and pulses like tur, mung, and chana. With a smile, he asked me what part of a plant these were. I was excited that I was able to tell him that these were seeds. My uncle seemed very impressed with me. At this point, Uncle asked me if I believed him now about us eating all parts of a plant. I slipped my checklist quietly deep into my pockets. I realized he had been right. Just then, he tapped me on the shoulder and said that what we had seen were different parts that we eat of different plants. With a grin, he asked me if I knew of a particular plant whose multiple parts are consumed. We were still walking around the farm as we were talking, and I was trying to answer his question. He suddenly stopped, and when I turned back to see why, I realized the answer. He was standing in front of a grove of banana plants. I'd known the answer, but I didn't realize until we stopped right in front of it. We eat the banana fruit, but raw bananas are also used as a vegetable. The stem as well as the leaves of the banana plant are also cooked and eaten. And in South India, banana leaves are also used as serving platters for meals. As I left the farm and headed back home, I kept thinking about how valuable plants are and how we must take care of them.